He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat to Putlibai and Karamchand Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. As he played a vital role to India and made it independent on 15th August 1947. And on 12th March 1930, he started the historic Dandi March to break the salt law, in which people were forced to buy salt from the government, which sold it at high prices. As salt is a basic need, it affected all the Indians. But at the end of this movement, the national unity has strengthened, and finally India got freedom at 15th August 1947. Unfortunately,
Hello everyone, my name is Avani Motiala from class CP4. Today I am going to be telling about Gandhiji's three monkeys. Gandhiji had a statue of three monkeys in different postures. One was shutting his mouth with his hands, the other was shutting his ears similarly, and the third one has put his hands on his eyes. A visitor came to his house and became curious and questioned Gandhiji about the various postures of the monkeys. Gandhiji politely replied, "The one shutting his mouth tells us that we should not speak ill of anybody. The one shutting his ears tells us that we should not hear the ill of anybody. And the one shutting his eyes tells us that we should not see the ills of anybody." Now I am going to be telling a poem about the Gandhiji's three monkeys. If you didn't hear it with your own ears or see it with your own eyes, don't invent it with your small mind and share it with your big mouth. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Smaran. I am from CP4. I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat to Putlibai and Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi studied law in London and became a lawyer in South Africa. Through his policies of satyagraha and non-violence, he led India to independence. Mahatma Gandhi launched many movements against the Britishers. Mahatma Gandhi in 1920 non-cooperation movement, in 1930 civil disobedience movement and Dandi March, in 1942 Quit India movement, in 1947 India got independence.
I am Arjun from CP4. Today I am gonna talk about Dandi March on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti. When the British were ruling the India, they imposed the tax of Indian salt. So because of this tax, they increased the price of Indian salt. And they were not able to buy the salt, especially for poor people. And because of this law of salt, it became illegal and they were not able to collect, produce or sell. If anybody sell or collect the salt, they'll be imprisoned for 6 months. So Gandhi found this is unfair. So he started a march called Dandi March in Gandhi Ashram on 12th March 1930. He walked 240 miles from Gandhi Ashram to Dandi, and he reached Dandi and he took some grains of salt and he.
Satyagraha is formed from two words, Satya and Agraha. Satya means truth. It refers to being truthful in one's thought, speech and action. Agraha means desire. The term was popularized during the Indian independence movement. In Satyagraha, the main goal of Gandhi is to change the mind of the wrongdoer by not forcing him. Winning means getting along with the enemy to make what is wrong right again. For this to happen, the enemy's mind must change to realize that he is stopping a goal that is right. Gandhi said the truth is far more powerful than any weapon of mass destruction. The Salt March, also called as Salt Satyagraha, was led by Mahatma Gandhi. The day 24th day march lasted from 12th March 1930 to 6th April 1930. Gandhi, along with his trusted 79 volunteers, walked all the way from Sabarmati Ashram till Dandi. Growing number of Indians joined them along the way. This sparked large-scale act of civil disobedience against the British. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning. My name is Srishti Thakur. I am in 4th class. My section is A, roll number 14. Now I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is famous in India as Bapu or Rashtrapita. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, India. He died on 13 January 1948, New Delhi. His father name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai Gandhi. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Now I am going to tell about the 3 monkeys of Gandhiji. Gandhiji's 3 monkeys is a series of sculpture created by an Indian artist, Subodh Gupta. The 3 monkeys represent the
My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am an Indian nationalist. I am known to lead a camp to free India from British rule. My mantra is to follow the truth and non-violence. My mantra is also known through the symbol of 3 monkeys. Never see